Okay guys, we made it to the Dollar Tree. So over here, let's see. I see that they have 2 Orbeez stress balls. I think I'm gonna get this one. Okay, Hudson, do you want that slime? Yeah. So we each have
I have $5 left.
$5, and I have wait, what is? Oh, it's a light bulb thing. I have $7 left. Okay, wait, guys, look. They have some of these things. They're like monkey noodles. I think I'm gonna get a purple one and okay, if I can get a blue one. Okay, so I have that's 3. That I have $5 left. Let's see what's under here. Okay, they have a red one of these. They have a green. Let's see. Ooh, they have this goofy glitter putty. I don't think I'm gonna get any of those because we already have Squishy over there. So, I see that they have some Slinkies. Okay, let's go. Guys, look at this. They're poppets and they're pens. They have a lot of different colors of butterflies, a T-Rex, and yeah, that looks like it. So I'm gonna try to get, I want a yellow butterfly. So I have $4 left. We'll put those back later. Okay, let's go down here. So they have this arrow play, but I've seen people get that and it's not that good. So we're not gonna get that.
Why they did not
Let's see. Okay, maybe we can go back here. Wait, guys, we should go to wait, guys, I found Nickelodeon slime. We're definitely getting this. Okay, let's go to the front of the store and try to find some things. Okay, and